Welcome to this video, where we'll explore the key astrological events impacting Bitcoin, altcoins, like XRP, and the broader financial markets in January 2025. We'll analyze specific astrological transits and their expected impact on market sentiment during the month, highlighting potential bullish or bearish trends. You may use the timestamps to navigate through the chapters, and check the description for links to previous forecasts. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's dive in. In January 2025, the combination of Venus in Pisces and the Aquarius season could create a bullish environment for BTC, especially towards the end of January around the time of the new moon. However, the Mars-Pluto aspect may initially induce volatility, possibly leading to price dips that savvy investors could capitalize on. Potential bearish corrections around the full moon in Cancer and the Mercury-Saturn conjunction are also expected. The sentiment for XRP is similar to BTC. The tension from Mars' opposition to Pluto could mean short-term bearish action. Profit-taking and cautious behavior could also occur when Mars shifts back into Cancer. Yet the eventual positive energy from Aquarius may help XRP rally, especially if there are favorable legal outcomes or new partnerships announced. Expected to experience increased volatility for altcoins, with a likely bullish momentum influenced by Sun's entry into Aquarius and around the new moon in Aquarius, especially as the focus turns towards innovation, technology, and crypto. Many altcoins might benefit from the innovative atmosphere of Aquarius. Projects focused on networking and community engagement may see increased investor interest. With the increasing interest in cryptocurrencies as an alternative to traditional safe havens, a bullish outlook for metals could coincide with a bullish sentiment for BTC and XRP. If inflation fears rise, expect increased demand for both precious metals and cryptocurrencies. The dollar's strength is inversely related to crypto performance. If the dollar index remains weak, it could bolster bullish sentiment in the crypto space. Conversely, a strengthening dollar might lead to bearish pressure on BTC and altcoins as investors flock back to fiat. Key astrological events in January 2025, Venus enters Pisces, the day of Bitcoin's solar return, January 3rd. This ingress can signify a period of idealism and creativity, potentially fostering a bullish sentiment in the crypto market. Venus in Pisces promotes values of compassion, creativity, and artistic expression. This can enhance community-driven projects and initiatives in the cryptocurrency space, attracting more participants. This transit often encourages speculative behavior and investor enthusiasm. However, Venus in Pisces may also bring illusions, leading to overconfidence among investors. Mars opposition Pluto, January 3rd. This powerful aspect indicates potential power struggles and conflicts. It may manifest in the crypto markets as significant selling pressure or manipulation for major cryptocurrencies, potentially resulting in sharp sell-offs that create by the dip opportunities. There is a video link in the description box below for those of you who are interested in a detailed analysis of the Bitcoin solar return chart of January 3rd, along with an astrology forecast for 2025. Mars retrograde leaves Leo for Cancer, January 6th. The retrograde motion can lead to frustration or delays in projects, potentially leading to re-evaluation among investors. In Cancer, this may lead to caution in the markets, resulting in uncertainty and hesitation. Such a backdrop often coincides with decreased trading volume and caution in buying decisions. While this might generate cautious optimism, it may also evoke heightened volatility. This period could be neutral or bearish for BTC, XRP, and altcoins, as traders may be reluctant to make bold moves. Mercury aspects, Mercury square with Neptune, January 6, 2025, suggests confusion and miscommunication. The potential for misinformation in the crypto space is high, leading to misguided investments or panic selling, further exacerbating bearish sentiment. Mercury enters Capricorn, January 8. Mercury in Capricorn brings a practical mindset, possibly leading to rational evaluations of investments. This could favor BTC as investors may gravitate towards more established cryptocurrencies. Full moon in Cancer, January 13, 2025, at 22:27 Universal Time. Coordinated full moons often signify culmination, heightened emotional tension and revelations. In Cancer, this may provoke emotional reactions, influencing market participants to react impulsively, or overreactions to news. This event may lead to profit-taking in the markets, resulting in temporary bearish pressure on BTC and XRP, while providing an opportunity for altcoins to shine as traders seek new opportunities. Venus conjunct Saturn, January 19. This aspect could signify a more serious and disciplined approach to investments. While it might bring some bearish sentiment initially, it could ultimately lead to a solidification of values in the crypto market. Sun enters Aquarius, January 19. This transition could usher in innovative ideas and movements within the crypto sphere, often favoring forward-thinking projects, particularly in altcoins and decentralized finance and DeFi. The Sun in Aquarius typically heralds innovation and a focus on the collective. This could lead to a resurgence in altcoin popularity and decentralized finance projects, providing a bullish sentiment for these markets. Mercury enters Aquarius, January 28. With Mercury enhancing communication and technology themes, there may be a boost in interest and speculative trading in crypto assets, particularly those with strong technological foundations. New moon in Aquarius, January 29, 2025, 12:37 Universal Time. Coordinated. The new moon generally represents new beginnings and opportunities. With this happening on the day of the FOMC rate decision, expect volatility in response to economic news, which could favor altcoins. The Aquarius energy can foster community-driven initiatives and could signal a fresh wave of optimism for cryptocurrencies, possibly bolstering prices for BTC and altcoins. However, this new moon may signify the initiation of new strategies or shifts in market sentiment, but it is essential to approach this cautiously. Mercury conjunction Pluto, also January 29. This conjunction suggests intense focus and potential transformative events. This might lead to major news during the FOMC press conference, impacting BTC and XRP. Expect significant price movements during this period. Uranus stations direct, January 30. Uranus turning direct often leads to unexpected developments. This could bring about sudden shifts in market sentiment and price action, particularly for BTC and XRP. North Node moves into Pisces and the South Node into Virgo, also January 29. The North Node's move into Pisces and the South Node's shift into Virgo heralds a transformative period in financial astrology, with implications that are generally seen as bullish. This transit encourages a collective shift towards intuition, creativity, and spiritual growth, potentially favoring industries related to new alternative practices, which may see increased investment and interest. Meanwhile, the South Node in Virgo suggests a release of overly analytical, critical, or detail-oriented approaches, encouraging a move away from rigid financial systems and fostering a more holistic view of value. While this could create some volatility as established structures are challenged, the overall sentiment leans towards optimism as new, innovative opportunities arise that align with the collective's evolving desires and dreams. This alignment could lead to increased volatility as investors seek to align their strategies with emerging trends that emphasize intuition and collective consciousness, potentially fostering a bullish sentiment for innovative altcoins while traditional cryptocurrencies may experience mixed reactions. The dollar index may face headwinds as the Pisces energy could undermine its strength, fostering a more risk-on environment that benefits precious metals like gold and silver, which tend to perform well during times of uncertainty and introspection. Overall, this transit appears to be moderately bullish for the altcoin sector but may yield a neutral to bearish outlook for established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and XRP in the short term. FOMC and the Aquarius new moon, January 29, 2025. January 29 is the most important day for the Bitcoin and the broader crypto market during the first month of the new year. The new moon in Aquarius occurs in BTC's 7th house, representing partnerships and market relationships, while being in exact conjunction with Bitcoin's natal north node. This alignment signifies a moment of new beginnings and collaborations, and may drive market sentiment. The new moon is opposite the ascendant, hinting at significant shifts in market perception. Bullish or bearish? The overall astrological indicators suggest a bullish sentiment for Bitcoin and altcoins on this day, although some underlying tensions may lead to volatility. The conjunction of the North Node with Neptune and Venus in Pisces, forming a stellium, adds a layer of emotional investment and creativity to the market. As Venus represents money and values, this conjunction could draw in speculative interest, particularly in altcoins, while also hinting at a potential for deceptive or overly optimistic narratives. On the other hand, the transit of Mars retrograde in Cancer, making a square to Bitcoin's midheaven MC, may create tensions within leadership and decision-making processes in the market. This could manifest as concerns about regulatory developments or market volatility. The new moon represents new beginnings, yet with Mercury conjunct Pluto, there may be an intense focus on communication, market news, and potential market manipulation. Therefore, the initial reaction could be positive, but underlying psychological factors and external news may influence traders' reactions. Traders' psychology. As the new moon phase begins, traders will likely feel a surge of optimism, particularly regarding partnerships, innovation, and fresh opportunities within the crypto space. However, this enthusiasm may be tempered by caution due to the proximity of Mars retrograde and its implications on market stability. Retail traders, represented by the moon in the 12th house, may experience a mix of excitement and anxiety. News from the FOMC press conference occurring just hours after the new moon could add an element of unpredictability, as traders may be keenly attuned to interest rate announcements and their implications on risk assets like cryptocurrencies. Price movements. Bitcoin, BTC. The day may open with a price surge as traders react positively to the new moon energy and its potential for new partnerships. However, volatility could set in as the FOMC news unfolds, leading to fluctuations within the day. Altcoins, e.g., XRP. Expect increased speculative trading, particularly for altcoins that align with innovative narratives. If BTC shows strength, altcoins may follow suit in a rally, given the emotional energy surrounding the new moon. Precious metals may experience mixed reactions. If the market perceives increased inflation concerns from the FOMC, gold and silver could rise. Otherwise, a bullish crypto sentiment might divert investor interest away from metals temporarily. The dollar index may react negatively if the FOMC signals a continuation of low interest rates. A weaker dollar often benefits risk assets, including cryptocurrencies, leading to bullish price action. Conclusion. January 29, 2025 brings a bullish undertone, especially with the new moon and significant astrological alignments promoting new opportunities. However, traders must remain vigilant and responsive to news developments during the FOMC press conference, as it has the potential to sway market dynamics significantly. Overall, it promises to be a day of excitement and potential volatility, driven by a mix of optimism and caution in the financial realm. Week of January 1 to January 5, 2025, Astrological Insights. The month begins with significant aspects, including the moon in Aquarius trine Jupiter, suggesting a positive outlook and potential optimism in the market. The energy of Aquarius, associated with innovation and technology, is favorable for cryptocurrencies. On January 2, Mercury squares Saturn, indicating potential obstacles and miscommunications, which could lead to a slightly bearish sentiment in the market. However, this is countered by Mercury sextile Neptune on January 3, which could foster creativity and speculative interests, potentially leading to short-term bullish behavior. Bitcoin's solar return occurs on the 3rd of January. For a link to a detailed video about Bitcoin's solar chart analysis and astrology forecast for 2025, please see the description box below. Venus enters Pisces on the same day, January 3rd, fostering a harmonious environment for financial creativity and emotional investments. This period is likely to bring a bullish sentiment for cryptocurrencies, as the energies of Venus in Pisces encourage empathy and an appreciation for innovation. Market sentiment of the week: traders and investors may feel encouraged, leading to upward price movement. This week is bullish for BTC, XRP, and altcoins. The presence of the Moon's conjunction with Jupiter could boost optimism. The emotional connection with investments could spur buying activity. However, the Moon's square to Saturn introduces caution. Precious metals and dollar index: this week's astrological influences might favor a slight decline in the dollar index, due to risk on sentiment, which could result in a temporary bullish effect on precious metals. Week of January 6th to January 12th, 2025, Astrological Insights. This week features several challenging aspects, including a square from the Moon in Taurus to Pluto. Mars retrograde leaves Leo and enters Cancer on January 6th. This transition may result in increased volatility as emotions influence market actions. A first-quarter Moon in Aries on January 7th could prompt assertive behavior among investors. Mars opposition to Jupiter also on January 7th could bring about overreaching behaviors or impulsive decisions, hinting at potential corrections in the market. This could bring volatility, causing price fluctuations in the crypto market. The transit of Mercury sextile Venus on January 8th suggests harmony and collaboration, likely fostering a more optimistic environment for crypto. The end of the week features a notable NFP report on January 10th, which is expected to introduce volatility. The Sun's trine with Bitcoin's natal Saturn, January 11th, fosters discipline and stability, which is positive for long-term investors in crypto. Market sentiment for the week: mixed. The volatility may create both bullish and bearish sentiments for BTC and XRP as traders react to heightened emotions and potential conflicts. Market uncertainty may lead to profit-taking and increased selling pressure. This is bearish for BTC and altcoins, neutral for XRP. However, the positive aspect of Mercury sextile Venus can enhance investor confidence, which is bullish for BTC and XRP midweek, leading to a potential bullish sentiment for altcoins. Precious metals and dollar index: the dollar may strengthen slightly due to strong employment figures, potentially exerting bearish pressure on precious metals. Precious metals may experience a decline as traders look to cash in, while the dollar index might gain strength as a safe haven. Week of January 13th to January 19th, 2025, Astrological Insights. The full moon in Cancer on January 13th, at 22:27 Universal Time Coordinated, can evoke emotional responses, influencing market behavior. As the moon forms a trine with Saturn, stability may be sought, which is often reflected in cautious trading. The full moon may intensify emotional responses, leading to a pullback or profit-taking phase. The conjunction of Mercury with the Sun towards the end of the week, on January 17th, may increase market communication and trading volume, enhancing sentiment. The conjunction of the Sun with Jupiter on January 19th, during the weekend can be characterized by growth and expansion. However, the Venus-Saturn conjunction also on January 19th suggests a potential tightening in volume for the crypto markets, promoting caution. Market sentiment: the first part of the week is likely to be bearish for BTC and altcoins as investors may choose to secure profits or minimize losses. XRP might also feel the pressure of a cautious approach. Altcoins may struggle under emotional selling pressures. From midweek, Bitcoin may benefit from its status as a leading crypto asset, while XRP could remain stable or turn bullish. Later in the week, there is a strong potential for price increases across the board for BTC, XRP, and altcoins, as optimism returns. Precious metals and dollar index. Precious metals may experience bullish sentiment as investors seek emotional security in the beginning of the week. While the dollar index could be challenged due to the expansive nature of Jupiter's influence, potentially leading to a weaker dollar towards the end of the week. Week of January 20th to January 26th, 2025, Astrological Insights. The Sun enters Aquarius on January 20th, bringing a shift towards innovation and futuristic thinking, uplifting the crypto markets. The Moon's trine with Jupiter, also on January 20th, further encourages growth and expansion. The Sun-Pluto conjunction on January 21st could indicate deep transformations in market structures, possibly leading to breakthroughs or significant changes in sentiment. With the Moon entering Scorpio also on January 21st, a deeper desire for investing may arise in retail traders and a desire for power and dominance increase in institutional traders, boosting the crypto markets. The week continues with a powerful Sun-Mercury conjunction on January 22nd, enhancing intellectual clarity and decision-making, boosting the crypto markets. The Venus-Saturn opposition on the weekend on January 25th may introduce challenges or delays in investment decisions, likely leading to caution among traders. However, the presence of Jupiter could sustain an overall bullish outlook. Market sentiment of the week, bullish for BTC and altcoins, as the focus on innovation could encourage new investments. Renewed interest in major cryptos can lead to upward trends. Potential corrections may be anticipated toward the end of the week due to Venus-Saturn tensions. Precious metals and dollar index. The dollar index may show signs of strength early in the week, which could dampen the bullish sentiment for precious metals. Week of January 27th to January 31st, 2025, Astrological Insights. This week begins with the Mercury conjunction with Bitcoin's natal Jupiter on January 27th, encouraging optimism and expansive thinking, likely leading to bullish sentiment. As the Moon is in Capricorn, on the same day, there may be a focus on discipline and strategy. At the end of the month, on January 28th, the Moon transitions into Aquarius to signal a return to innovative thinking, boosting crypto markets. With the Sun, Moon, Mercury and Pluto, all in Aquarius, form a stellium, which is extremely beneficial for cryptos, and most especially for altcoins. The new Moon in Aquarius on January 29th promotes new beginnings and could signify the start of a bullish trend. Additionally, the FOMC meeting is also on January 29th, which can create significant volatility. Followed up with Uranus going direct on January 30th, may unleash pent-up energy in the market, favoring unexpected price movements, may create a push-pull dynamic, leading to volatility in the latter part of the month. Market sentiment, bullish for BTC, XRP, and altcoins as new opportunities and a fresh outlook for innovation emerge. However, the markets are likely facing sudden, unexpected corrections as Uranus stations direct and FOMC outcomes are digested. The dollar index may experience fluctuations based on FOMC announcements, potentially leading to bearish pressure on precious metals if interest rates are hinted to rise. This concludes our monthly crypto market analysis. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.